Good afternoon, everyone. This is Prim with Bitcoin Magazine. I'm here in the lovely Sheikh Zayed Road with influencer Loredana Manushaqa. Welcome to our office.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. And don't worry about the surname, no one gets it right the first time.
All right, Loredana, I mean, you've been very active here in the GCC region. You've been mentoring people, you are writing articles, and on top of it, you're also the Chief Business Development Leader at Darico. How are things coming along?
We have some pretty exciting news coming along.
Awesome.
Yeah. So we are launching our third product, Darex, which is a hybrid community-owned exchange, and we are hoping to get as many users on it as we can. The particular feature of Darex is that it will be trading both utilities and securities, and of course with the community-owned feature we present to our community DCS, which is which is a security token representing the digital shares of our company. So we have a very big important date coming up next week on Thursday, 27th. We are doing a snapshot, and all our DEC holders, all the token holders of our utility token DEC, will receive in January shares of our Swiss company. So Darico AG is our Swiss company. We are tokenizing its equity, the shares of the company, and we are giving them for free to the community. So that's pretty awesome.
Absolutely. So, I mean, you guys are one of the very first projects basically who's doing, going from a utility token and offering basically to a security tokens. It's definitely exciting news. And I'm very glad that I'm able to speak to you today to understand how this is working. So, as you said before, basically the existing people will get the security token, and it will be on your exchange. I'm very excited because I saw also that on your roadmap, somewhere in January, the exchange will be launched, right?
Yes, the beta version will be launched in exchange, and we have already 100,000 users whitelisted for it. So everyone is kind of excited and waiting for it.
Absolutely. I mean, every project stands because of the community, and you guys are working very hard to create and keep your community active. That's really, really wonderful. Now, somewhere I also heard that you are doing something with real estate. Could you explain to me what you are doing and with which group you are working together?
Well, rumors are true. So we are we announced today actually a partnership with one of the property developers, RDK Group, here in Dubai, and we are testing with them, with their help, 3 main proof of concepts, meaning that as you know, projects have their utility tokens, and right now the market is not that good. But what projects should do, in my opinion, is just try to find more use cases about their token. This is crucial in order to make the token work and to have real world use cases. So this is actually what we are trying to do, and we are starting with the real estate industry. We are testing 3 proof of concepts, meaning that DEC token holders will be able to pay in DEC for various hospitality services in Dubai. So they can come for a blockchain conference, they can come for vacation, or it doesn't matter, they want to move here. There will be 30 apartments at the beginning, valued like $25 million, and they can pay for their daily rent in DEC. So that's
That's really amazing. Congratulations on that, because that's really big news. I'm very glad that you came over to talk about this, because real estate is one of the most illiquid assets classes there are, and it's really tough to get your money out of real estate than just selling it, and you cannot do it partially. So how are you guys doing it partially as well, right? If I understood correct.
Yes, this was the first proof of concept, the renting, daily rental. We are offering another proof of concept. They can buy the apartments and pay for these apartments in installments. This use case is not new to the crypto market, because you can buy today real estate with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other various coins. But we are introducing something new and creating a bridge between conventional financial world and the crypto world, and we are giving them the opportunity to pay in installments, which could mean, of course, that if the growth of the token is constant in the future, on the payment due date of your installment, you could pay less if you are buying a property. And of course, we are introducing later on another proof of concept, which is the tokenization of real estate. As you said, real estate is a very liquid market. You cannot, not everyone today can afford to buy one whole apartment. So why not own a fraction of it? Why not tokenize the real estate industry and just invest in a fraction of an apartment? So this is kind of a bigger vision for later.
Fantastic. I mean, I've heard many people do it, but you guys are actually doing it. I'm very proud of you and your team to achieve this accomplishment.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Loredana, thank you so much for this interview. I love to speak to you later on this year. I wish you a fantastic 2019 and speak to you soon.
Likewise.